Turn off the power at the main circuit breaker. This ensures that the electric power supply is disconnected. Remove the outer cover switchboard. Unscrew and pull the inner wall switch plate out. Take out phase wire, red color, from existing switch's fan regulator terminal. Take out the existing switch and fan regulator by unclipping it from the inner wall switch plate. Turn on the power from the main circuit breaker. Carefully identify the live wire using a voltage tester. Turn off the power at the main circuit breaker. Use the voltage tester to ensure that the voltage supply is disconnected. Take out the neutral leads and detach their connector. Take the smart switches and clip it onto the inner wall switch plate. Connect the phase red color wire by looping it over the L terminal of the smart switches. Join the new black wire to existing neutral wire and connect the other end of the new black wire to the N terminal of the smart switches. Connect the load wires to the L1 and L2 terminal of the smart switches. Place the inner wall switch plate on the switch box and screw it back in place. Fit the outer cover for the switchboard back in place. Turn on the power from main circuit breaker. Follow similar steps for wiring the smart touch switch. Download and install the Tata Power Easy Home app on your smartphone. Open Easy Home app, register and login. The device only supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router. Click on the plus symbol to add a new device. Once this is done, select either of the switches or fan controller. Enter the networking interface menu and input the Wi-Fi password and then click on Configure Signal. Long press the tactile or touch button, left button in case of multiple buttons, for 5 seconds until Wi-Fi indicator starts flashing blue. Once the Wi-Fi indicator on the device flashes blue, confirm the same by selecting Blue indicator is flashing on the Tata Power Easy Home app. Wait for the device to configure. Once the device is configured successfully, you can find it in the device list section of the app. Congratulations, your fan switch and regulator is successfully installed. Power in your hands. For more details, contact us on 1-800-212-345.